Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kendrys. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about composition for your panels and your comics or manga. And these are some quick tips. So I want to talk about these two things, which are the rule of thirds, which is you divide the panel into threes. You can divide the panel like that, and you got these points that's supposed to be points of interest. And the other thing I want to talk about is cropping in a way that focuses on what you want to show. For example, if I want to show this character, right? I want to show her like face, like a close up. You don't need to see the top of the hair, her ears and stuff. Like so, you can cut a lot of that away. Also, combining that with the rule of thirds, you can see here, for example, this is about like the eye level. If you divide into three, you can see that the eyes, which is what I want to focus on, is like around there where the lines intersect. So I put the eyes there and crop in a way to like remove distractions. There's not too much going on. Like no ears and some of the hair. Like you still want to show some stuff. If you show the character like the whole face, the whole head, kind of, it can be a little bit more boring. So it's actually better just to kind of chop part of it, focus on the, maybe the reaction, or just switch it up so it doesn't look the same all the time. And I think that's a good way to do it, the rule of thirds. And there's more rules, but I think this one is pretty useful. You can get a lot of variation, especially when you combine it with focusing on certain things. So that's something I've been doing a lot more, like thinking more about the ways to crop the panels to, focus on certain things. You don't have to show everything. Here I could probably show this less so you focus more on her. I just want to show this because it's something that I find useful, and I started doing that too long ago. Like before, I would just show the whole face. It definitely, I've seen like an improvement in my composition when I started thinking about that, cropping better. I can just play around with that, with focusing on certain things, and the rule of thirds is pretty good. So that's gonna be for this video. Just a quick tip about composition, and hopefully it's helpful. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.